Hey, the Gadget Man here with nothing but gadgets, and today I'm going to be doing a review on a Wish.com DJI MAVIC Mini 2 clone. Okay guys, so 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Alright guys, so I bought this off of Wish.com. I'm going to go ahead and just open it up here since it just looks like a black case. And what this is supposed to be, or at least what Wish.com called it, was a DJI MAVIC Mini 2 clone. Okay? Now, let's take it out of the box here. First thing, this thing is paper light. It feels like I'm going to break it just touching it. I mean, it is so stinking flimsy, it's not even funny. The plastic on it is just so incredibly thin. You can just, anything you do just warps it. Now, drones have to be light, that's true, but this thing here feels like it's got no substance at all to it. It does got a little camera down here. Doesn't appear to rotate. Well, it does rotate. You can do it manually. I mean, it is just a piece of really cheap junk. I mean, it comes with a little controller here. What else it got? It got some manuals here. Got two extra batteries. Got a battery right here, so it comes with 3 batteries. You know, I mean, the question is does it work? Let me see here if it'll turn on. If it'll even turn on. Okay, so it will turn on. Let me get some batteries in this thing and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I got some batteries in here. I don't know what these are for. I'm not sure what they're for. Press this. Turns this on. Let's see here. The instructions say push up and down. Okay, that works. The instructions say press this little button right here to calibrate it on a flat surface. So let's see. Okay, so that's supposed to calibrate it. It didn't do anything. Oh, there we go. All right, so that's a calibration there. And then it starts up, but we've got something wrong with this. Oh, okay, that started there. I just touched it. Okay. Trying to keep it in the screen here. Well, it seems to start up okay. This had a little trouble on this side. It was kind of wobbling here. Now, let me back up here and see what happens when I go up with it. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's attacking me here. Ah. It won't take off. I gotta stop it here. Okay, so there's something wrong with this motor right here. When I started it up, it was wobbling, and even though I calibrated it, when I went to just go straight up, there's a 0 wind environment. It came right at me here. Okay, it starts up fine. Let me move it forward just a little bit more here. Go ahead and use the calibration thing again. No, that didn't work. Turn it off. That supposedly calibrates it here by doing this. Alright, let's try this again. I'm going to move it just a little bit forward here so it doesn't hit me. Okay, so it seems to take off fine. Let's just push forward and see what happens. Yeah, it just won't take off right. I'm kind of holding it here. That's kind of what it wants to do. It's just hanging at an angle here. It won't. Okay, so I can't even get the thing to take off. No big surprise. I wasn't expecting. I mean, I paid $30 for it. Yes, guys, I did not expect to get a DJI Mini clone, anything that resembled the DJI, but I did expect to get something that flew. I've had some Wish.com drones before, and I still have them, and they're fun to fly. This thing doesn't even take off. It came with a defective motor. It's super, super, super cheap. It's a piece of junk. Okay, guys, well, I mean, I can't go any further. I was going to show you some tricks in what it could do, but it will not even take off right here on the table. I've gone through a lot of testing with it and trying to figure out how to get this thing to fly, and it's just basically, it's dead on arrival. There's something wrong with this motor over here. It just is not getting the speed out of it, or something like that. I'm not sure what's wrong with it, but it just doesn't work. And when I took it out of the box, it was a piece of junk. I mean, it is just so stinking flimsy. I mean, my gosh, it's made out of paper thin plastic. Okay, guys, I tried my best to get this thing to take off. I did everything I could. I could not get it to take off. There's something wrong with this motor, and it's not surprising. So, you know, I got scammed again. Not really. I knew it was a piece of junk before I bought it, but I wanted to see what you could get for 30 bucks off of Wish.com. I did not expect anything close to a DJI Mini. I realized I wasn't going to get that, so that wasn't a surprise, but I did expect to get something that would actually fly. I have had some other cheap drones in the $30 range, and they float, and I still fly them today, and they're a lot of fun. I was expecting maybe to get something a tad bit better with maybe a little bit better camera, but this is not even, I wouldn't even qualify this as a kindergartner's toy. It's so poorly made. All right, it is a piece of junk. Do not waste your money buying a Wish.com DJI clone knockoff, because they don't even try to come close to what they're talking about. It's not even in the same universe. It's somewhere else, okay? And so just do not get taken by that. And there you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.